Hey guys, I got my package. It's my order package from Yummy Charms. Let me just scroll up a little bit. Okay. I got this yesterday, but I was really busy yesterday, so let me just make sure everything's down there. Yep, this is just bubble. And I'm gonna cut my package. Okay, so here's the inside. And of course I haven't looked in yet. There's a note. It just says, thanks for purchasing. It's so cute. I don't have any. So there's this boy squishy. And these are my first squishies ever. Oh my gosh, look how squishy that is. So squishy. And there's this one. It's a girl. It's another girl. I ordered 3 girls and 2 boys. A girl. And the boy. I'm keeping one boy and 1 girl and giving the others away as Christmas presents. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Wait, where'd the mouse go? Where'd the mouse go?